Sir, my phone is ringing. It's an unknown number. What do I do?
Pick it up, Umaan. Why are you looking at the phone like it is a bomb?
I get nervous. I never understand what they say, and I make mistakes. I just want to throw the phone away.
Put the phone down, Umaan. Don't throw it. Today, we're going to cure your phone phobia once and for all. Welcome back to Hashmi English Tutor. In this masterclass, we will learn exactly what to say from the moment you pick up to the moment you hang up.
Please help me. I don't want to sound uneducated on the phone.
Let's start with the beginning. Umaan, if you pick up an unknown call, what do you say?
I say, "Hello? Who is this?"
Buzz. No, never say, "Who is this?" It sounds very rude and aggressive.
But I need to know who it is.
Of course, but there is a polite way. You should say, "May I ask who is calling?" "Who am I speaking with, please?"
May I ask who is calling? That sounds soft and professional.
Exactly. And if you are the one calling someone, don't just say, "Hello, give phone to Ollie."
What should I say?
Say, "Hi, this is Umaan. Is Ollie available?" Available is a magic word. It is much better than "Is Ollie there?"
Okay, I can do that. But sir, here is the biggest problem. In our area, the network is terrible. When I can't hear the other person, I scream, "Hello, your voice is cutting."
Umaan, please stop. Voices are not cakes or vegetables. They don't cut.
Then how do I tell them the signal is bad?
You have 3 professional options. Listen carefully. "I am sorry, your voice is breaking up." Use this when the sound comes and goes. "The connection is a bit choppy." Use this when the sound is robotic or weird. "I can't hear you clearly. Can I call you back?"
Breaking up and choppy. These are new words for me. What if I just didn't understand what they said, not because of network, but because they spoke too fast?
Then use the phrase, "I am sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat?" "I didn't catch that" sounds very natural.
Okay, I didn't catch that. Okay, noted. Now, suppose I need to check a file or find a pen. Can I say, "Wait a minute"?
Wait is an order. We don't give orders on the phone. We make requests. Use the phrasal verb, "hold on."
Like, "Hold on a minute"?
Yes, or even more polite, "Could you bear with me for a second?"
Bear with me? Like the animal bear?
Same spelling, different meaning. Bear with me means please have patience with me while I do this task. It is very high-level English.
Wow, if I say bear with me, people will think I'm a CEO.
Now imagine someone calls for your brother, but your brother is in the shower. What do you say?
I say, "He is bathing. Call later."
Too much information. The caller doesn't need to know he is bathing. Just say he is not available at the moment.
Okay, he is not available.
And then offer to take a message. Say, "Would you like to leave a message?" Or, "Can I take a message for him?"
That is very helpful. Can I take a message? It shows I'm responsible.
Finally, the call is over. I usually say bye and press the red button. I cut the call.
Again with the cutting. We hang up the phone. And before you hang up, use a pre-closing sentence. Don't just say bye abruptly. What is a pre-closing sentence?
It signals that the talk is finishing. "It was great talking to you. Thanks for reaching out. I will let you go now."
I will let you go now. I love that one. It sounds like I'm respecting their time.
Okay, Umaan, we have learned a lot. Now it is time for a challenge.
I'm ready, sir. Test me.
Okay, I will say a rude or basic sentence. You have to instantly change it into a polite or smart sentence. Ready?
Ready.
"Who is this?"
May I ask who is calling?
"Wait a minute.
Could you hold on a second?
Your voice is cutting."
Your voice is breaking up.
"Speak loud."
Could you speak up a little, please?
"I am cutting the call."
I have to hang up now. Thanks for calling.
Sound effect of clapping and cheering.
Brilliant! You passed with 100% marks.
Thank you, sir. I actually feel excited to talk on the phone now. I want someone to call me so I can say, "Bear with me."
That's the spirit. Friends, phone anxiety goes away with practice. Use these phrases today.
And tell us in the comments, what is the funniest mistake you ever made on a phone call?
We would love to read your stories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hashmi English Tutor.
See you in the next call. Goodbye.